Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. It's me, Nichelle, and today's video is gonna be a SHEIN haul again. So here I am back with another SHEIN haul. So this time again I did the same thing. I got those things on a different number and I got 5 buy 5 get 4 free. It was the same offer again, so I picked up some of the things right here. I picked up all clothes because why not? Why would I go for something small? So I just picked up 5 things and I had to pay for some 11.49. So here are my cute little mini SHEIN haul. So without wasting time, let's go into the video. And the first item that I picked up from SHEIN is a basic sweatshirt. It has just like a cute collar. I felt like it was looking really cute and gorgeous and something like I would wear like whenever like day-to-day wear something. So I picked up this one in gray and blue. So it has Manhattan right here, and the reason I picked up this is because it has these hands which look cute. So I wanted something like this because I didn't have one, so that's why I picked up this one. And it also has a blue collar which looks really nice, like it gives that warm, and it's really a nice sweatshirt. Like you can just wear it any time of the day. Like it's really cozy as well, and the quality is also really nice. And it has Manhattan right here, which New York 1898. So this is really cute, and the down part looks somewhat like this. So this is a really baggy one that I picked up, and I got this in a size small. Everything I got is I think small or medium or something. So I picked up this one right here is because of the collars. The hands are really perfect, not that long, not too short as well. So this is a really cute one. It also has 2 buttons right here. You can just like remove it like that. So, and the back is somewhat like this, just a plain one. So this was something that I had to pick up, so I picked up this one because it was really cute. All of the other things were like quite boring, so that's why I went for this one. And yes, I'll put the price right here because I don't know the actual price of it. It was like something 11 or 13 pounds or something, but I got this for free, so I'm happy about it. So the previous one that I showed you right now was 13.99 pounds, and I got it for free. Honestly, I would have not bought it. Like honestly, on an honest note, I would have never bought that top. Just because I got free, I had to just pick it. So moving on to the next one, I have the second most important is this basic top that I got it from SHEIN as well. Is this basic beige ribbed top. So it is somewhat like this. I have the exact same one in grey, which I wear it almost every time, and I picked up the same one, but this quality is quite different, and it's lightweight as well, and it's a very stretchable fit. Like as you can see, it's very stretchable. So I picked up in a beige because why not? I just had an option, so I just like put in the cart. The hands are like somewhat like this, and I got this in a medium because I thought like medium would be perfectly fine because I have the other one in medium as well. So it's a nice bodycon fit with a ribbed material, somewhat like this, and the price for this is a 9.49. Honestly, I would have not got this one. I would have bought much cheaper than this, so I would have honestly got it for like 5 to 4 pounds, which would be quite worth it. So that's why I picked a beige, because I don't know why I always go for something like light colors like beige. This is also from SHEIN, which I showed you in my previous video. So this is kind of cute. It has some bows on it. It has black bows right here, as you can see. So yes, that's why I got this one, and if you like it, you can do check this out. I'll put all the links in the description box. See you. So the third item from my haul is this cute little thing. I bought this cute loose and thick pajama, as it's called, and it's from Dazzy. right here. It's from Daddy. So this one I had to buy this, so I paid 11.49 for this thing, and it's absolutely worth it because it's quite thick and it's good for winters. Like, you can just see this, like you can see how thick it is. It's honestly like a quilt, like, you know, a good one. So I bought this one for 11.49. I just had to pay for this, and I'm like, wow, this is like really nice. I can just wear this. It just came with the bottoms, no top, nothing. So it has a straight leg right here with a cute some kind of bear or what, or I think so it is a penguin, I don't know. So it looks somewhat like this, and I picked up in a size medium because why not? I thought like medium would fit me perfect. But yeah, so it's really thick, as you can see. The inner looks somewhat like this, and it's really a cute one. So yes, and it's also comfy as well. I haven't worn it yet, but I can honestly do feel it because the way it's thick. So yes, here it is, and you can do check this out, guys. They have a lot of good collection. The actual price for this is 11.49. okay, so yes, it's much worth it, and I'm happy with this purchase a lot. And moving on to the next one, again I have a sweatshirt, and this is my favorite, but the color is too bright and too vibrant, I don't know. But I picked up this one because I thought like the color would be somewhat light, but it is somewhat like this. It's like too darkish blue, but it's okay. Honestly, it's okay for me because I do love the print of it. So it's a sweatshirt like this with a hoodie, and the quality is not that great as compared to the other ones, as compared to this one. So it is somewhat different, and it has a pull-on drawstring right here, and I okay it is to wear it at home or something. And it's somewhat like this, and the back is kind of cute. The back has somewhat like this. Enjoy the little things. So this is the reason I picked it up. It has a cute little sunflower. So yes, this was the print I liked, so that's why I went for this one. And it's okay. I think I got this in a size small as well. Again, it's a small. So yes, and it has two pockets right here, so you can just keep your phone or something like that, or even cash as well. But yes, this is a cute one, and this was priced at 14.99. It's really expensive. Honestly, it's really expensive. So yes, if you do like it, you can check this out. I'll put all the links in the description box. And yes, I would give this it's gonna be my second favorite. Yes, second favorite. No, it's gonna be my third favorite. Okay, the last thing that I have is this one. Honestly, I regret buying this because the picture looked kind of different as it is, and it's somewhat like not thick. I mean, like, it's not like stiff. It's just like, you know, like the same one I showed you earlier, and it's this gray cardigan with gold buttons. I'm okay to wear it, but it's kind of okay, and I don't love it that much because of the material. And so it's somewhat like this with a gold buttons right here. It's okay to wear. I would have given this a 5 out of 10. And yeah, it is somewhat like this. It is not that long. It's like just near your waist area. So it is somewhat like this. It's cute. The gray is, it's like a washed black and gray. So it is somewhat like this, and this was priced at 20.99. like, it's so expensive. Honestly, I would have not bought this one at all. Like, no, I would have given this a no. Like, honestly, I don't know, I have to keep it. I can't return all this stuff. So it's somewhat like this, and it's okay. You can like wear it with a nice beige a black satin skirt or black formal pants would look nice with this one. So even a skirt would go well with a nice flats or heels. So if you like it, you can do check this out, guys. And it has gold detailing right here. Honestly, I love the gold buttons that they have. Instead of, you know, having white or black buttons, the gold would look much better. So yes, I do like this one, but it's kind of really expensive, and good that I got this for free. So yes, this is my last purchase of the haul, and with this I come with the end of the video, guys. Hope you like my mini SHEIN haul, my mini free items that I showed you guys, and I'll hopefully come with some amazing collection next week. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and see you.